So it all started with me doing my dramatic self, trying to burn in an hour while also running away to save my beautiful sari. I swear I'm not scared. I can totally do it, just from a safe distance. Well, another round of crackers, another round of chaos. Then I got into my actual outfit and decided to make a back-to-back bursting videos where my camera guy just couldn't stop laughing. You can literally see how happy I was. Next up, I tried launching a rocket using a plastic bottle, which didn't go exactly as planned. But of course, I tried again. Then came the chakri, spinning, sparkling, lighting up the night. And yes, I gave the rocket another go. Only the sound came out this time, no flight. Finally, I sat down just to watch the chakri do its thing. Right, beautiful, and totally worth the mess.